Hello Taurus, I hope you're doing well and creating your own happiness. Welcome and thank you for being with me today. My name is Ava. This is general reading. If it does resonate, please like, share, subscribe, help the channel to grow and get the spread message out there. End of the reading, I upload the spread message for you, and stay tuned for that, Taurus. All right, let's see what the message, universe has for the Taurus today. What message Taurus need to know today? Okay. That is this. Taurus, you are magician. You are magician, Taurus. Time to bring your dream to reality and something you want to create to success. This is the time to do that. I feel there is a month for you, is the best month for you and to be success. You have all the tools, Taurus, necessary tools to create your business, your project, whatever you want to do. You visualize your dream, manifest for that, is Taurus, and now time to put it on the action. This is, to make it to reality. This is, so what do you want to do? What do you want to create, Taurus? Do you want to create, your happiness? This is the question. Do you want to create the abundance? What do you want? And remember, we all unique. We all have their own path, different path, with the different, experience, and we all have different, wishes. We all have different dream. We all have different, wish. This is, is your dream. But whatever you want to do is possible for you to do it, Taurus. I see the Knight of the Pentagon, and you taking, is action on your dream and put work and effort to see the result. I see, the result is coming. I see, is a time to focus on goal and your dream. If you want to start your business, Taurus, this is a good time. Start to do that, and in order to to gain the success, you just need to do it and visualize your dream. Whatever you want to do is important. You just visualize that and manifest for that. Some of you are getting, I have this feeling you're gonna have some inheritance money. Is some of you are getting some promotion, some raise, some of you is getting some money from the tax, I see. If your business is not, you have a business, Taurus, and then your business is not working well, it's time to make the adjustment. Maybe time to just do some adjustment. And I see some of you are changing the career, and this career is going to require to move to another city, another country. I see, is big movement in your life. I see, is a big challenging time for you, because you don't know the culture of this country, you don't know the language, and this is, you don't know this place is a safe place for you, tourists, but, you just, this is a big challenge, this is a success, but this is, you get more strong. And you build your financial stability is your future financial stability. And I have a feeling, during this time, you're going to find your lover, is your partner is, during this trip. And some of you build a strong relationship, is not this just maybe soulmate, maybe this is just is a business partner, maybe just some friend, is and I see, is the place of the stability and power and authority and powerhouse energy. This is, you, Emperor, Taurus. This is you. You're very powerful human, and use your power and wisely. You need to figure out, how to play the game, Taurus. And remember, you have to put your effort and energy and discipline, to be success. This is your year, Taurus. This is for year to success, and Spirit is gonna guiding you too. And I see the big potential of the major change, major success. Now time to have good habit. The Spirit wants you have a good habit, and just create this habit and for yourself. Just take care of yourself. If you need to maybe motivation, just time to just get some work with your mentor, work with the people is around you, is and just make sure to make the good habit for yourself. Healthy food, healthy exercise, and you just need to be mentally, emotionally, and physically. Spirit wants you work on your health at this time. It's important to be healthy at this time. And I see the lover, and I see you manifest. You manifest for to have your soulmate, and you send this request to the universe, and universe just do their job, and that you do your part. You just work on your health, you work on your career, and you just enjoy your life, Taurus. And that is going to happen for you. This opportunity is going to happen for you. And I have a feeling when you, some of you is in there, is when you moving to some country, that is going to happen. But some of you, is going to happen, and with their networking and connection with the other people. And some of you is, manifest for this change, and some of you, they have some change. Some change is coming, and maybe this is more change in financing. I see some of you is more financing change. I see more message for the Taurus, more message for the Taurus, and renewal. Maybe you just need to do some renewal, in your life. And what is more message for the Taurus? Message for the Taurus, is purpose. I knew that I am here to do, you know your purpose, exactly what you are here. Maybe you just need to, know, what is the purpose, what, that is the situation will improve. Your situation is going to be improved, Taurus. Be patient. I hope this reading has some message for you. You enjoyed the reading. You like, share, subscribe. Help the channel to grow. And I truly appreciate. I love you, Spirit. Love you. Love yourself as you love others. Be healthy. Be happy. Be kind. Until next reading. Bye-bye.